Fun fact, a 1,000-year-old medical recipe from a medieval book ended up doing something modern science struggles with: killing drug-resistant bacteria. Back in the 9th century, there was a medical text called Bald's Leech Book, basically a kind of Anglo-Saxon doctor's guide. It had all sorts of strange remedies, most of them based on plants, animal parts, and sometimes stuff that just sounded like superstition. But one recipe stood out. It was written as a treatment for an eye infection, and it called for a mix of garlic, onions, wine, and cow bile. The ingredients were to be crushed together and left in a brass container for 9 days. That was it. No heating, no preservatives, just time. In the 2010s, scientists from the University of Nottingham decided to test it, not just out of curiosity, but because antibiotic resistance was becoming a serious global threat. They recreated the recipe exactly how the book described it, and to everyone's surprise, it worked. Not only did it kill the targeted bacteria, but it actually wiped out MRSA, one of the most dangerous antibiotic-resistant infections in hospitals today. Even more shocking, it worked better than some modern treatments. The researchers repeated the experiment multiple times, testing it on infected wounds and petri dishes. Each time, the results were consistent. Something in that mixture, or the way it fermented, had serious antibacterial power. They still aren't exactly sure which part of the mix is doing the heavy lifting. It might be the combination of garlic and bile, or something activated only after the 9-day wait. Either way, it shows that ancient knowledge, even when written by people with no microscopes or lab coats, might still hold answers to problems we're facing today. Sometimes, the cure isn't ahead of us, it's buried in the past. Follow for more facts that bring history back to life.